Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, time to return back to our practical Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine。好香哦，是我们这个月的一个主题哦，因为你知道闻到香味啊，心情就好啊，
对啊，
对不对？好香哦，怎么说 ？How do you say that？
很香哦，
很香哦 ，which means it smells great, it smells fantastic. OK， 很香哦，哎，什么东西会自然会发这个香的味道出来？
花香，
花香啊，对，其他都是因为要煮东西啊，擦个香水才会香嘛。
对，
到外面走走就会闻到花香，
没错，
多棒 ！OK， flowers they give off a very good scent, right? So let's put you in this scenario. 这是什么花 ？What kind of flower is this?
亚黑马给法，
亚黑马给法 ，OK， 这是什么花？对不对？花就是
法。
Okay, that is a flower 法。What kind of flower is this? 哎，我最近去过南庄啊，好香哦！那边有一种花叫做桂花，对，
然后还可以做成吃的，叫桂花酿
啊，对，桂花树、桂花酿，这都非常香。There is a kind of a tree or flower called osmanthus. I'm sure you all know, or also known as sweet olive, very famous in Nanzhuang in a town. But let's say you have this in your backyard, okay? 我们来假设朋友家有种这个桂花树好了，好不好？
好啊，
好，我种的桂花树啦。That's what smells great, right? I actually planted some osmanthus right here.
矮中嘅桂花树啦，
矮中嘅桂花树啦 ，OK？ 桂花就是刚刚讲的 osmanthus， 桂花 sweet olive，
桂花树，桂花树，
桂花树 ，OK？ That is the tree, OK？ 我种了 I planted， 种 ，OK？ And finally, it smells great, so I want to go buy one too, all right？ 好香哦，我也想去买哦，我也要去买。
很香哦，
很香哦，
我妹爱去买，
我妹爱去买，
很香哦，我妹爱去买。
好想把这个树买回来种，你知道吗？
真的吗？
真的，
你这么……
哎呦，干嘛那么怀疑我哈？我喜欢花树的。我妹爱去买。Okay, that means I want to go buy this too. All right, let's review some of these phrases and vocabulary like the flower, 花法 okay, that's a flower. And the osmanthus, 桂花桂法 And finally, 我也要去买。买怎么说？买 OK, 今天都教的是单字，希望大家可以记得起来哦。然后呢，都是在聊聊很香的东西啦。好香哦，怎么说？
很香哦，
很香哦 That means it smells great. Now you know how to say these phrases, and I hope you learn a little bit more with Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.